Wednesday, the 19th of August, 2026. Georgia 11 and Georgia State Road 83 connector intersection. We have never been through this.
Exit the traffic circle onto Georgia 11.
With the
continue on Georgia 11 for 6 miles.
With the roundabout. We may try to get that when we go back. Social circle is 8. We want to try to get the rail yard, maybe some CSX stuff there. But we're basically on our way to Monticello or Charlie Elliott State Park. We've just picked up people right on our bumper. It was such a nice drive coming across that connector, and now we've got about 4 right on our bumper. Headed south on Georgia 11. People are idiots. People are driving much more aggressively since the pandemic. My theory is people that got vaccinated are driving much more aggressively, faster. That's my opinion. We're going to pull over up here at this church, let these speed racers get on down the road, let them do their thing, get out of our hair. Let's check it out. What is this? Memorial Steed? What? Memorial Shed. Okay. We'll take this time to go ahead and change the battery here. Or either going into, we may have enough battery to go on into Social Circle then, because I don't, if I stop it, then we've got to edit it in the computer. As long as we keep it running, we can just upload it like it is. So I should have checked that. To the left will take you all the way back over to Good Hope and go straight across and take you on down to North High Shoals, on over to into Oconee County and Bishop. It's mid-70s going to low 90s. Heat advisory. Georgia 11 used to just be a sleepy little Georgia back road. But not anymore. sold fresh sausage. I never tried any of it, but I suspect it was very good. Be my suspect. If this battery makes it to Social Circle, we'll start another one in Social Circle, and we'll see if we can get some drone video. We won't be able to send the drone up in Charlie Elliott. It is a state, well, I guess it's wildlife management area. State park, wildlife management area, recreation area. But there's no drone, unless, you know, might be able to apply for a permit. That's new. New homes, Connor Springs from the 300s. sale, 78.5 acres. Social Circle city limits, folks. There is the law. Okay, we want to go right through town. Which way do we go? Go right. Going right through town. Miles. We got about 4 behind us again. big city limits, hasn't it? Well, that tax base and tax money. Yeah, that tax money they get will pay way more than any services they deliver. Coming right through downtown social circle. On the way back, we may stop and stay and play a little bit. Right now, we're going to keep on going through. We're about to turn this one off. 12 and a half minutes, 13 minutes. March to the Sea, history marker. I don't know where the little Great Walton rail yard is, but we're crossing over the CSX now. Robert Bobby Hayward Bridge. Howard Bridge. Okay, this is the Osmo Action 5, and this battery was on yellow and right down at the bottom when we started. We are already 13 and a half minutes into this. These Osmo batteries have really gotten better. They've always been better than the GoPro, but I've had several GoPros. The original GoPro Silver, GoPro 3 Black, GoPro Black 10. I've been disappointed with all of them. The video is very good, but the durability durability is good, but as far as I have taken that Black 10 and beat it on concrete, and the thing still videos. But it just never works right. Batteries get hot, it cuts off, all kind of stuff. And we use SanDisk 256 SD cards right now. We use a Ugreen 100 watt charger, four bay chargers. We use that for the DJI Air 3S drone as well. Okay, well, we're coming up on picking up the bypass coming out, so let's go ahead and turn this one off, and this will be a wrap.